Dramatic developments in the case of the Panhandle murders.
Veronica Butler and Jillian Kelly vanished last Easter weekend while on their way to the Oklahoma Panhandle to see Butler's children for a supervised visit.
At the center of the murder conspiracy, Tiffany Adams, this woman, the children's grandmother, who was locked in a bitter custody fight with Veronica Butler.
She and 4 other defendants in the case called themselves God's Misfits. News 4's Sydney Batzloff is joining us, has today's developments in court. Sydney.
Kevin, Heather, the preliminary hearings were expected to last through tomorrow, but they ended early. Today was the final day, and the judge found there is enough evidence for Tad Coulombe to go to trial. Tad Coulombe and Cole Twombly returning to the Texas County Courthouse for what would be the final day of preliminary hearings for the case of 2 murdered Kansas mothers, Veronica Butler and Jillian Kelly. Twombly's time in court, short. He waived his right to a preliminary hearing just like Tiffany Adams did on Tuesday. Paul Grice also returning to testify. He was questioned during cross-examination by Coulombe's attorneys. The sticking point, whether or not he is taking responsibility for the death of Jillian Kelly. Court documents show Coulombe was the first to stab Kelly. But Grice says while they were on their way to bury the bodies, Kelly's eyes fluttered, making him question whether she was dead or alive, so he stabbed her again. Coulombe's attorney argued the only wounds on Kelly were from Grice's knife, the same one used to kill Butler. Grice said some of the facts haunt him and that he's had a hard time sleeping. He also admitted to lying to the OSBI and that he may have been drunk during interviews. He claims he also told his wife about the murders after they happened. Coulombe's attorney asked if there was any agreement that his wife wouldn't be charged or have to testify. Grice says the only possible deal is he may not face the death penalty. The next witness called to the stand was Jamie Beasley, the property owner of where the bodies were buried in a freezer. He discussed how Adams and Coulombe asked him the day before the murders if they could cut down some trees and bury concrete on his land. After learning about the murders, he said he didn't tell law enforcement out of fear. 3 Oklahoma State Bureau of Investigation agents also testified. There was a lot of testimony over the past couple of days. If you'd like a full recap on the hearings, go to KFOR.com.